Welcome to Pantech Solutions. So today we are going to see the demonstration of edge detection by using TMS processor C6745 and TFT display and CCS Code Composer Studio. So the algorithm will be processed by TMS processor and the display is used for display the input as well as output images. The Code Composer Studio is a tool which is used for creating software application. Code Composer Studio is a tool which is used for creating a software applications of your project. So now I am going to load the project into Code Composer Studio. By double click you can open Code Composer Studio. So here we are going to use a color image for our edge detection, but we cannot load the color image directly into CCS tool. So first we have to convert that image as a pixel values. So it will be done by MATLAB. After the pixel conversion, so we have this header file red.h, green.h and blue.h. So then we have to rebuild the project. So this is our output file, binaries. So we are going to download that file into DSP processor. To download the binaries into DSP processor, so we have to do the debug. So it will take some time because the header file contains more values. Because of internal memories of DSP processor is not enough to store the values because we have only less amount of memory inside the DSP processor. So we need external memories because any images contains large values, which means large pixel values. So we have to store the value, then only we can process the value. So we need external memories. Okay, so now we are going to download the output file into DSP processor. The stickboard contains onboard emulator. By using single USB cable, you can power up as well as you can download the output file into DSP processor. So now we can see the output in. So now I am going to download the output file into DSP processor. So just click on this icon. So now you can see the input in DFT display. So this is our output. This is our edge detected output. So the same output you can see in CCS tool by using some tools, and you can see the same input as well as output. You can see the same input and output by using image analyzer. So first of all we have to choose some parameter to display the input. So first we have to choose image format. So then we have to enter the number of pixels per lines is 240 and number of lines is 320 and pixel strength is 4. So the masking value is depends upon the color image format. To get the pixel values, we have to enter the starting address because we stored the input pixels or output pixels in some variable. So every variable contains some address. So first we have to find the input image address. So output. So here we stored our input. So just copy that address. Just paste into starting address. So then we are reading the data as 32-bit format. So just by refresh you can see the input image. Yes, so this is our input image. So if you want to display your output image, you have to find where the output image is stored. So in this project I have stored output image in output 1. So we have to find the corresponding address of output 1, C017700. So then we have to enter into starting address to display the output image. Okay, this is our output. So now we can see the same output in image viewer as well as TFT display. Thank you for watching.